You know you're going to shop there. Not only do you earn bonus fuel rewards on Acme gift cards, when you use your Acme gift card, you can earn even more because Acme has over 30,000 items throughout the store that earn you fuel rewards every day. Double up at Acme Fresh Market.
Notice anything different? Just want to clue you guys in on my truck project here. Got a new video camera. I also got the correct 67 to 68 sloped hood and 68 front fenders. They're in pretty good shape. They're actually GMC fenders, but I'm gonna have to fill these holes where the emblems were. But other than that, truck's coming together. Did some more work there. Got my garden plants in the back. And no, I'm not making one of those truck farm things. I just threw this together. Didn't really line up anything at all. I might fill in these holes for the trim. I don't know if I'm gonna get any. It's kind of expensive, but you know. The fenders are on, they fit. The inner fenders are painted and rhino lined, so that's cool. This was all bashed up here and we brought it back out again. Looks pretty good. Lines up good too. So still needs a little bit more work, but you know, pretty dirty in here. I still have to repaint the inside and still get this header panel. I don't know if you can see that, but here's the old hood. If anyone wants it, 50 bucks, they can have it. And also, I found out that, let's grab the light here, my voltage regulator was bad, so we pulled it out. Let me show you. Here's the one that was in there. Okay, so you can see this moves up and down. And there's supposed to be a point right connected to this right here. You can see it burnt off. And that triggers this to come down on that coil there. So, and also, here's another one. This is the original one, it's computerized, but this one had a short. So, I've got two duds, and then I've got the new one. It's in good shape, it's brand new. Got it from Advance Auto. I just need to get those rubber things there, little rubber bushings. I need two more of them, one there, and one there. And then that can go in the truck. And that thing will hopefully start recharging again. I got another new alternator, a different one, because the one that I put on there in an earlier video was internally regulated, and this truck was a split year. It is not internally regulated, it's externally, so they gave me the wrong one, but it's coming together, guys.